Hi, I'm Scott Toole. I'm with Roto-Rooter Corporation. I'm real excited to be here with my partner Jake Saltzman of American Pipelining Supplies to tell you about our relationship and how we can help you at your location.
We're very excited to be working with Roto-Rooter Corporation and all their locations to provide trenchless solutions for their marketplace.
Part of the package when you purchase a descaling system or pipe patching system is the training that's included from my team at Roto-Rooter Corporation. We'll come to your location, we'll teach you how to properly use these systems and be successful with them. When it gets into CIPP lining, a member of my team will actually go with your team to Anderson, South Carolina to work with Jake and his crew as they train you on CIPP lining.
They've engaged us on a deeper level to help support their efforts to provide quality solutions and support for trenchless patching, for CIPP relining installations, and for preparation, reinstatements, and the continued support that they need to have to be successful in the field. We offer kind of a boot camp style training where it's very interactive, and it's all going to be to help better your location, and we offer the support in conjunction with Roto-Rooter Corporation to bring that to your location as well.
To see you learn it and gain the experience that's necessary to be successful and offer more solutions and make more money.
My name is Jay Glazer. I'm the excavation manager at the Baltimore, Washington branch of Roto-Rooter. My experience with Roto-Rooter Corp has been nothing but positive, from training at our branch in person and then also being able to work with them remotely and call them and have them available to us to answer our calls any time of the day.
We talk about the Pacote machines. We talk about the tooling that goes with them. We do some classroom time to introduce those machines. And then we do hands-on training for the bulk of the time. So the technicians get real-world experience using these machines and descaling pipe. We show you the proper way to set up packers, to place and install patches, how to cure them out and work with resin safely and effectively. My team will help you with a live install for a customer. Rather than just training time, this is real-world getting it done time.
So we have a step-by-step process that we follow for the training process, and one of those things involves being very hands-on.
You tailored the training specifically for what is prevalent in our area, as opposed to just a very generic training. You know, we had a lot of off-the-wall questions sometimes, very case-specific, and you guys had an answer to every single one that we had.
There's also a segment of that is sales-related, and we help with some pricing strategies and some selling strategies for the members of your sales team.
Incredible, the amount that they brought to the table for us as far as knowledge and the comfort level they really put us at to give us the confidence to actually start that side of the business up. Ongoing support that we get out of our office for lining is amazing.
We're going to train you the right way. We're going to work with you to make sure you're successful, and we're a phone call away if you need help. And at the end of the day, you'll make more money and be successful. There's no doubt in my mind.